Got another Tribe Social update for you for March 2024. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything that we recently changed in version 2.14 of Tribe Social. And I'm going to even share some of what's coming next in future versions. So let's jump into it. If you head over to our website, you can always find all of the features listed. And I'm just going to jump and touch on a few of these in this video. First off, some of the things we added, we have integrated Chatbase into each tribe group. So if you're not familiar with Chatbase, I'll open this up here. It is a way to make a custom GPT with your own content, and it's a tool that we've used internally and we've used for other clients, but it is just a fantastic way to put your own GPT together, and you don't have to be a coder and you don't really have to know how any of AI works. And here you can just simply drop PDFs, documents, transcripts. You can even link to websites that you want to reference. And you can even have like specific Q&A, like questions that you want to pose, and then answers that you would like to come back. And best feature of all, you can connect Notion to this, which is fantastic. So you can actually have a Notion database that's just pouring information into this GPT. From here, we're going to copy this URL and we'll head over to the dashboard. You'll see that we now have a place where you can put a chat bot embed URL, and you're just going to paste that link right there. Here you can label this bot whatever you want. By default, it'll just be called chatbot, but if you want to label it something like MyGPT or EdgeGPT or EdgeBot, you can put in whatever you want there. And that's going to be what will show up for users in the tab on the app. And the last piece, you want to make sure that you just enable the chatbot tab right here. That just needs to be enabled, and then it will show up on the app. So let's jump over to the app. If you look over here, I've got the community pulled up, and at the very top right, let me zoom in a bit there. So on the top right, you have this new tab called EdgeBot, and that is taking the name exactly from the dashboard and placing it up there at the top right. When I click on this, I can now see an entire view here of the Chatbase interface. So what Chatbase is doing is it's collecting all the information from all those documents and everything that you put into their dashboard. And now you can ask it questions and it will use all of that information to answer the questions. So let's go ahead and ask it a question here. Now, for users may not know exactly what to put, so you'll see at the bottom we have these prompts, and those are prompts that you can set inside of Chatbase. So people can just tap, what is triple bottom line? That's one of the concepts that's taught in this group. And you're just going to get this answer that's going to come back and answer all those questions. And you can say something like, can you, simplify that for me? There you go. So now it's going to take that whole concept that is being taught here, and it's going to simplify that using a combination of all the information we've sent to Chatbase, and then also using just GPT as well to simplify that. So a very cool feature, really easy way to add a chatbot into your app. And now instead of having another website to send people, you can just quickly share it in your group, and it can be right there for people. So let's jump into the next feature here. One other little thing we've added is a new profile menu. And I'll show you what this looks like if I jump over to my phone. And now if you tap on the top right, if I tap on that, you're going to get a new drop down. So before, you used to be taken directly to notifications and the profile screen, but now you see in the top right just a very simple way to jump to a few key links for users. So you can jump to your profile there, make changes to your profile, notifications. You can jump to contact support, so that'll actually take you out of the app and go to your support desk, or start an email to your support desk, or you can log out. So those are just based on some of the feedback we had from users where they were having a hard time getting to some of those key screens. Now it's just a drop down and you can get to it really fast. The last feature I'll talk about here is the ability to upload a recorded video in your community feed. So again, I'll pull up my phone and we'll jump into this. Before, at the very bottom, you would hit create post. So you hit create post and you could type a message, hello, and then you could either add a photo right there or go live. Now we have changed that option where it says add media. When you click on that, it's going to ask you if you want to upload a video or an image. So I'm going to hit video, and you can give it access to your entire photo album. I'll select a video to upload, and I'll hit choose. It's going to compress that video and then upload it right into the post. And there you go. I can then scroll down here and hit post, and that will go into the feed, into the community feed. It's a small change, but it's really useful when you have content you want to upload and you don't have to go live necessarily, or if you want to edit a video and then publish it into the feed. I'll touch on a few of these improvements. We've added the ability for users to crop their profile photo when they are setting up their profile. Before, it would sometimes it would stretch the image or make it look a little funny in some cases. So now you get to place kind of a circle around your face and crop the profile photo exactly how you would like. We've also added the ability to sort groups. So in the menus or the home screen, you can actually set the order of those groups a lot more easily now. And the last thing is we had some issues where people were getting signed out when they were using the web version of the app. So now it's going to keep you signed in for a whole lot longer. Those are all of the updates that we just released in 2.14. We do have some really cool features coming in version 2.15, which should happen in the next week or two. And those are going to be related to the course building tool. So we've actually added an entirely new way to set up not just one course, but multiple courses inside of your group. You're going to be doing this right inside of the app from your browser. You won't have to use the Tribe dashboard. It's really, really easy. You can drag and drop lessons, modules, and all of that around inside the app. Hit save, and then it's ready for your users to jump into it. So we're calling that Courses 2.0, and that's what's going to be releasing in our next update. If you have any questions, drop a comment below or email us at help@tribesocial.io, and we'd love to help you out.